Thank you for taking the time to listen to this JIG Technologies presentation. Server upgrade and migration. Are you running an outdated version of Windows Server like Windows 2003, 2008, or 2012? If so, now's the time to upgrade to the latest version of Windows Server and move your data from a physical server to a virtual one. Give your business the best advantage against cybercrime by having the latest security patches that protect your data from infiltration, damage, or loss. Satisfy legal and insurance compliance with the latest, most secure servers. Improved speed, reliability, and performance will ensure smoother operations and less downtime. A virtual environment will reduce the cost of hardware maintenance and save on electricity with no more demands on power or cooling. What does JIG do? We audit your hardware to determine what you need for optimal performance or what can be reused. Identify roles and applications running on target servers. Set up migration roles and applications. Test applications to confirm functionality. Provide support throughout the transition period and ensure as little downtime as possible. Thanks for taking the time to listen to this JIG presentation.